Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love Yourself. So today on my channel I am doing some makeup step by step and बेसिक की बात करें तो सब लोग ये पूछ जाते हैं कि मेकअप के पहले क्या लगाना चाहिए। मेकअप के पहले अपने फेस को प्रैपिंग करना भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जो बहुत से लोग मिस कर जाते हैं। सो आई एम टेलिंग यू सम टिप्स and easy way to makeup and fast makeup. First, you clean all your face with the help of wet wipes or cleansing milk. There are lots of products in market. You can choose any you like. You can taste it first. Then after you are sure that this product is good for your skin, you get it. Then use a toner. Tap it properly. Then use moisturizer on your face. According to your skin type, you can use. Then use primer and set it properly. Started applying the products, then use foundation and apply on your face and blend it with the help of blending brush or blender. Blend it and dab it properly. Then you can apply concealer. One shade lighter, exact yours foundation. Apply on your face high points. And blend it properly. Then use powder to settle the makeup. Now moving on your eyebrows. With the help of eyebrow pencil, you can also use a brown eyeshadow and blend it your eyebrow shape. Then apply one shade eyeshadow and create a crease. And also apply under the eye. It's your choice. Then apply kajal. Then apply mascara. Then apply eyeliner upper the eye. Then use a blusher, pinkish blusher. Smile and apply it very naturally. Then apply highlighter on your highlight points. Then use the lip liner or lipstick. Thank you everyone for watching.